Now we have learned about differentiation and integration, all differential and integral. So let us see what are the differential and integral formulae for some of the most common functions. So this is common derivatives. Derivative is again differential. Derivative means differential. That means slope. Differential. So these are the formulae and we have to remember some of the most important formulae. So first, so how do we represent this differentiation? So what we do, so what we saw, dy upon dx. So this was the form of differentiation. What we can do, we can write in this way, d upon dx and here y, where y is the function. Y is our function. This is our function. We will keep on changing this function y and see how the formula will change. So how the formula will change, d upon dx of any function y, how the formula will change. So let us see. So in the first case, d upon dx, that means we are differentiating. C is a constant. This is a constant. So any constant, for any constant, differentiation is 0. These things you have to remember. Please note down on the initial pages of your copy, because in each and every chapter we are going to use these formulae. So first, differential of any constant is 0, always 0. If anything is constant, what would be the differential? That will be 0. You will understand more about this when we will apply these things into chapters. Now, if the function y is equal to x, so dx upon dx, this will have 1. Dx upon dx will be 1. Now third case, what will happen? If there is a constant and x is with also that, so what we will have? We will have a constant. So here we can see d upon dx and we have a constant 5. So what would be the differentiation? 0. Dx upon dx is equal to 1. Suppose we have 5x. d upon dx of 5x. d upon dx of 5x. So what will we have of this differentiation? C is 5, x is x. So what would be the differentiation? Just equal to C, that means 5. That is 5. Now instead of x, if we have x to the power something, then what will happen? If this is x square, then what will happen? If that is x square, we will get n x to the power n minus 1. So differential of x square is n x to the power n minus 1. N is here 2. X power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So differentiation is 2x. Suppose we have x cube, then what will happen? 3 power comes in the front, 3, x is there, n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3x square. In this way we will differentiate x. Now with a constant, so simply constant will be multiplied. Constant and x to the power n, simply the constant and this n x to the power n minus 1 is there. So this is simply c, like cx is c, and this x differentiation is n x to the power n minus 1. Same, n c x to the power n minus 1. So these are the formulae for differentiation. This is first we are taking the case constant x, constant with x, x to the power n, and constant x to the power n. Now derivatives of some trigonometric function. Again, some trigonometric function. What are the trigonometric functions? So trigonometric functions are sin x. So what is the derivative or differentiation of sin x? Is cos x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Is cos x. And differentiation of cos x is sin x but with a negative sign. With a negative sign. So this we have to remember. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. What is differentiation of tan x? Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So these are the trigonometric functions that we need. Now what is the differentiation of sec x? Sec x is sec x tan x. Now what is the differentiation of cosec x? Cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. This you have to remember. These things you have to remember, but I am telling you the most common one. Most common one this and this and these three. These 8 are most common one. These 8 are most common one. These are not normally used in physics. I am telling you for the physics, if you are a maths student, you are going to learn all of them, but this you will learn in class 12th. That is the problem. But in physics, you have to use in class 11th as well. So at least we will learn those formulae which we are going to use. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are most common. Suppose if there is some other formula that we will see. So these are most common and let us see some more. Now these are the inverse function, differential of sine inverse x, cos inverse x. This we don't need. This we don't need for physics. But we need this one, exponential x. What is the differential of exponential x? E to the power x is same e to the power x. This is also important. Now what is the differentiation of a to the power x? Here a is not a constant. A is not a constant. So a to the power x is a to the power log a. This is a to the power log a. But this is also not very commonly used. But this e to the power x is very commonly used. So now we have 8 formulae. Constant x, constant into x, cx, x to the power n, cx to the power n, sin x, cos x, tan x, and this e to the power x. 9 formulae for differentiation till now. Let us see if we need furthermore. Yes, we need differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x. This is the 10th formula. What is the differentiation of log x? So d upon dx of log x. If we take differentiation of log function, if you don't know log function, just remember this differentiation of any log function is 1 by x. So this is 1 by x. Differentiation of any log function is 1 by x. Here when x is not equal to 0, so they have put simply into this mod function. We will not discuss it here. We will discuss only log x. So till now 10 formulae. This is not needed. This is also not needed. Also this hyperbolic trigonometric functions are not needed. So these are only 10 formulae that are needed for physics, and if any other formula is needed, we will discuss. So let us summarize once again. So what are the common derivatives? First, any differential of any constant is 0. Differential of x with respect to x, suppose dy upon dy, again same, x upon x same 1, dz upon dz same 1. So now d upon dx of cx is equal to constant, Now d upon dx x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. D upon dx cx to the power n, what is c is just in front of this, c n x to the power n minus 1. These are 5 formulae. Sin x is cos x is minus sin x. This you have to remember. Differentiation is minus sin x. Tan x is sec square x. So these are 8 formulae and 2 more. What are those? These 2. D upon dx e to the power x is e to the power x, same, it will not change, and this log x. D upon dx ln x is equal to 1 by x. These 10 formulae you have to remember for differentiation. Now one more important thing, suppose here we have this d upon dx cx. Suppose we have taken y, then what will happen? D upon dx and cy. Then what will happen? Nothing will happen, this c will come in front. C, this y will be something like this, dy upon dx. So this will be differentiation of cy. The constant will come in front. If there is only constant, this will be 0. If constant is there with some variable, then this constant will come in front. This dy upon dx. If this is dx upon dx, this will become 1, that is c. So these are the important formula that we have to remember.